Hey, it's Terry. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Now I'm doing low carb while I'm in maintenance. Thank you for watching. Happy Saturday. Well, this is how I went to Walmart. This is my bed head. You want to see what I wore to Walmart? Now, I wore a coat over it so you didn't see the shirt, but look. I wore my pajamas. They're Christmas dog pajama pants and pajama top shirt. I wore a coat. The coat went down to about here is where the coat goes to. So they saw from here down. But at least I got tennis shoes on and not house shoes. But you know what? When you go to Walmart at 6:15 in the morning, there ain't a lot of people. And then people don't care what you're looking at or what you look like because they look the same way. I don't have my breakfast yet. I just want to talk to you about the day and kind of the plans. Like I said, I went to Walmart, and so I did that already. I'm gonna do the sweet potato flavored jicama in the Instant Pot. That video will come up next weekend, so you'll see it next weekend. I guess that'd be the Sunday after Thanksgiving. I'm gonna make some flavored electrolytes. They're not clean, so you know, if you're super clean, don't make them. Laundry, I'm doing laundry. If I have time, I really would like to finish up this unicorn that I'm started making like back in April, so I could upload it to this channel sometime. I did that in Walmart. So let me show you what we got from the Walmart, because it wasn't a lot. It's just so I can make some salads. I bought some more tomatoes. Obviously I didn't need them, but you know, I'm not always the best shopper at Walmart. I bought a yellow onion. Whoa. I bought 2 envy apples. Yellow onion, a red onion. 2 envy apples that almost dropped. I bought a rutabaga and a jicama. Gotta have a jicama for today. If this jicama is bad, I may not be making it, but we'll see. And they only had 2 jicama and the other looked horrible. And then a sweet potato. I thought it'd be fun to taste a sweet potato fry next to the Debbie Sue version of a jicama fry. So that's later on. It's only 7:15 right now. So I'm not eating. I'm not doing nothing. I just want to show you. That's my little. Oh, and I got some grapes. So when I like grapes, you know, I have my frozen fruit in the evening. I really like frozen grapes. So I usually will buy a bag and then pull them all off and pop them in the freezer individually after I wash them. And then put them in with my mixed fruit bags. But anyway, so yeah, that's my Walmart haul. Hey, look, somebody brought these to work yesterday. I'm going to see if I can get a nutcracker from Mom's house. I know she used to have them. He had a big old bag of, or big old 5-gallon bucket of pecans. Those are some big old pecans. So my neighbor has them. They fall into my yard, but you know, there's little brown Tootsie Rolls in my yard. So I ain't about to pick anything up off the ground in my yard and then put it in my mouth. So, all right, I'll see you at breakfast time. Hey, also really quick, I'll be making salads today. I forgot to write that. I forgot to write that on my list. So a little bit of veggie prep and salads. Since I'm home today, I don't have to make up my breakfast. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in a real bowl. Look at me using something other than plastic. So I have 1 container of this Too Good Greek yogurt. And then I have 113 grams, which is 1 serving of this cottage cheese. So I'm going to have that. And I've got some bacon left over from what I made this week. So I'm just going to stick it right here on the side. I know it's going to have yogurt on it, but that's all right. So I'm going to stick it right there. And this is going to be my breakfast this morning. I'm not going to stand and talk to y'all because I might have more stuff to tell you later. So that's my breakfast this morning. Last week I was telling y'all about how my mom makes her bed so perfect, you know. And I ain't even washed my sheets. That'll be later, but this is why I'm folding laundry. I just took this out of the clothes washer or dryer. And look, I already got 3 of them on here piled up. Lou's already been chewing on the string of that, which is why I can't leave the leashes in the back of the car. But yeah, so that's why I don't even worry about making my bed all fancy. I just pull the blanket off and hope for the best, or blanket up and hope for the best. But yeah, that's why I'm just folding. Thankfully, that's just all just pajamas. So they're clean, but there's going to be little teeth marks on them from Girardeau. Random facts. I asked Alexa, life expectancy of a Great Pyrenees. Now, he's a mix, and it's 10 to 12 years. Average lifespan of a bloodhound. Now, he's a mix, 10 to 12 years. Average lifespan of a pit bull, I don't know really what Sammy is, but pit bull mix is it said 10 to 14 years. Now, get this. Callie is a mountain cur mix. Average lifespan of a mountain cur dog is 14 to 16 years. Wait a minute. Wait. Hey, Ziggy, what's the life expectancy of a mountain cur dog? Ziggy, life expectancy of a mountain cur dog.
A mountain cur dog typically has a lifespan of 14 to 16 years.
14 to 16 years. You hear that, girl? Yes, ma'am. You're going to be here with me a long, long time. Don't look so sad about it. But you're going to be here a long, long time, sister. You're going to have to put up with me and your brothers for a long time. They thought she was 8 years old when I got her in, I think, 2017. Hang on. Yeah, in 2017, they thought she was 8 years old. My vet thought she was 4 years old. So, 17... So 16, 15, 14, 13. So around 2013. So if she was 4, she's around 10 years old. So, girl, you got another 4 to 6 years to put up with your brothers and me. Ha ha. All right. He's 5. He's 7. And he is 7. So that's, I don't know. Sometimes I just want to know random things like that. How long am I going to get to have my babies around? Okay, and I know there could be a random something or other that could happen, but I still like to know the average. Okay, bye. Hey, it's lunchtime. I did not show you all me making my salad. You all have seen me make it hundreds of times. I did just finish off the vinegar veggies. It's all the leftover vinegar. Remember, when I make my vinegar veggies, I use all the vinegars. So this is a mixture of red vinegar, red wine, white wine, rice, white, apple cider. If there's a vinegar, it's in there. So, anyway, why is this wet? No, it's because I just wiped it off. All right, so, gotta have another bite. Hang on. This was my Mexican style fajitas with riced chicken and refried black soybeans. I made that last weekend, I think. Listen, every day runs together when you get to my age. So I could have made this yesterday for all I know. Anyway, I'm mixing it all together. Because when I go to a Mexican restaurant, that's what I do. Oh, you want me good on this? Oh, some salsa. I'm getting some salsa. Look at that steam. I need to get some salsa to cool it off. Hold them horses. Hang on. This is the salsa I'm using. I learned my lesson last time. I am not pouring this stuff. I'm going to take a spoon and scoop it out onto my stuff. That stuff is like water. It just rolls out of there. Okay, it just splashes out of there. I'm so messy. You can just call me Marvin. You know, Messy Marvin. Okay. Anyway, so let's take a bite of this. It's gonna be so hot. It's gonna be so good. You know it. You know it. Mexican anything tastes good. If it wasn't disrespectful, I'd say, Olay. Because dadgum, Terry Bear. You did a good job, Terry Toodaloo. Nice. Nice. So, alright, well, I'm going to eat this. Oh, let me tell you what we've done so far. Jicama fries. Heads up, I couldn't do them in an Instant Pot because there was a piece missing from my Instant Pot. Instant Pot was given to me by somebody, and there was a top little piece missing from it. So, I can't use it. I'll see if I can order one. I've already done, what's that supposed to say? Something. I did laundry. I went to Walmart. I did my salad. I'm still working on this other part. Finish on. Finish. I got scratched out. Whatever it is, I did it. Anyway, so yeah. Maybe if I read something extra that says finish or something, you'll know I did it. Anyway, so yeah. That's my lunch today. I'm having a big lunch because it's a busy day. I'm kind of working hard today. So, all right, well, I'll see you at supper. Bye. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Y'all know dang well I ain't gonna eat a meal without this. So I'm having this for lunch too. It's an apple. Okay. I know. I bet you didn't know what this was, huh? Anyway, so I'm gonna add this to it. Okay, bye. Tonight's supper is gonna be a mixture of a lot of weird things. Not weird, but just a lot of things. It's kind of like Sesame Street. One of these things is not like the other. One of these things doesn't belong. Can you guess which thing is not like the other before we finish this song? Well, that's definitely this meal. Because we're going to have some Italian. We're going to use this, it's the spicy Tuscan tomato sauce, no sugar added. So we're going to use this. A serving of it is 125 grams. Because we're going to make another tomato soup situation. But wait till you see what I'm doing with it. I mean at the same time. So we got some Italian something or another with some Italian Alfredo. Now I know this ain't really Italian. It ain't from Italy. I'm just saying. And I think this is 60 grams. Alright, that's the end of that. I can toss it now. So we're going to have an Italian. Italian. Anyway, that. So I'm not having a vegetable because I have been sampling all kinds of stuff today. Like as I'm making it, I have made sweet potato something, jicama something. I've had failures and successes today. But, yeah. So we're going to have, so it's going to be, I'm also going to have, and this bacon is left over from yesterday at work. Now, my meat is what we're going to go in with. We're going to go in with the Indian seasonings that Marnie recommended to me. And so I've got some chili powder. Put in a little chili powder. Definitely some ground ginger. I like that. Maybe a pinch more. Some garam masala. So Indian food is very earthy is the only way I can describe it. For somebody who has never eaten it, earthy. Doesn't mean it tastes like dirt. It just, I don't know. Earthy is the only word I can really use to describe the flavor. It's good. Curry powder. I'm having to get my head out of my light. Whoa. Having to get my head out of the light so I can see it because I can't see it coming out. Some ground turmeric. And then some ground cumin. So I'm going to get these things microwaved. Except probably not the bacon. I'm probably not going to microwave the bacon. I like bacon cold. Does anybody else like their bacon cold? I like it cold. I like it cold and room temperature, but anyway, I'm going to microwave this, and I'll microwave my makeshift soup. Hang on. Alright, let's get to this. I'm going to add just a little bit of garlic salt and onion salt. And maybe. Whoa. I didn't add any salt. And now just a little bit of regular salt. Because it's how I roll. You ain't got to add that much salt. It's okay. It's okay. You ain't got to do everything I do. Hey, little man, move. Alright. Let me tell you. My phone had a pop-up. By the way, this is good. Thank you, Marnie. My phone had a pop-up. Saying it's time to update my iPhone. I thought I hit later, but evidently I did not. So now, I don't know, 7-10 minutes later, I'm eating my food. But so this is our tomato sauce Alfredo soup. You can pour this on your meat if you want to, but I like it by itself. It's good. I done ate my bacon though during those 10 minutes, 7 minutes, whatever it was, and some fruit. And that's gonna be my supper tonight. So, all right, well, that's a wrap. That's the end of the day. Where'd my list go? Oh, I took it in the other room. I got everything done, except I didn't do the unicorn. I ain't had time for that. Now I just got to get all them videos edited and uploaded and all that good stuff. So, all right, so I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday. It's Judy Day. Okay, bye.